Then let's end this.
The fabric of reality bends to my will. Beyond this portal lies the fate of countless worlds!
We rise again, not by fate, but by will. This land remembers us. And so do I.
Hold the line, we can't let them breach our defenses!
Jets are incoming!
Prepare for us to support!
Hello everyone, I'm really excited to share today's video with you because I'll be introducing an incredibly powerful AI tool that can help you create stunning AI images without any editing skills. But that's not all. With this tool, you can also generate cinematic Hollywood-style videos using only a single image and a few lines of text. No editing skills, no complex workflows, and no expensive software required. Sounds impressive, right? This game-changing tool is called Higgsfield AI. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process of using Higgsfield AI step by step. So make sure you watch till the very end. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a content creator, this tool can truly elevate your content. I've added the official Higgsfield AI website link in the description. Once you visit the website, you'll see an interface like this, where the real magic of AI-powered creations begins. On the Higsfield dashboard, you'll find a wide range of powerful AI tools such as Unlimited Kling Motion Control, Higsfield Cinematic Bundle, Mixed Media Studio, What's Next, Cinema Studio V 1.5, AI Stylist, Relight, Cadence 1.5 Pro, and many other amazing top-tier AI tools. From the Tools section above, you can create both images and videos. All tools are available in one place. First, I'll show you how to create an image. To do this, go to the Image option and click on Create Image. After that, a new interface will open where you can see some of the images I've previously created. To generate a new image, start by entering your image prompt in the image creation bar. I've created a high-quality image prompt with the help of ChatGPT, which I'll paste here. After entering the prompt, select an image model. Most top-tier image models are available here. For realistic and high-quality results, I'll use Google Nano Banana Pro. Next, choose the image ratio. I'll select 16:9. After that, select the image quality, which ranges from 1K to 4K. I'll choose 4K for the best results. If you want to generate images without spending credits, you can turn on Unlimited mode, which allows unlimited image generation in 1K and 2K quality. For now, I'll keep the quality set to 4K. Then, set the image quantity. At the moment, I'll generate only one image. Once all the settings are complete, click on the Generate button. Within a few minutes, your image will be ready. While this image is being generated, I'll create another one. This time, I'll generate a cute rabbit cartoon image, which is perfect for a cartoon story. After entering the prompt, I'll keep all the settings the same as before and click on Generate. Now let's wait a bit for both images to be ready. As you can see, both images are now generated with high-quality visuals. If you're not satisfied with an image, you can click on the three dots and regenerate it. Using the Animate button, you can also convert the image into a video. Additionally, the Multi-Shots option allows you to generate multiple scenes from a single image to create a complete story. First, I'll show you how to convert the Dragon Lady image into a video. Click on the image and then select the Animate button. This will add the image to the video creation section. As you can see, the image has now been added. To create a video from the image, enter your video prompt in this box. You can also describe the scene manually. For now, I'll go ahead and enter my prompt here. After entering the prompt, you need to select a video model. As you can see here, almost all top-tier AI video models are available. I'll select Kling 2.6, which is perfect for generating cinematic videos along with audio. Once the video model is selected, you can enable or disable the audio option. After that, I'll set the video duration to 10 seconds and keep the aspect ratio the same as the image, which works perfectly. Now, simply click on the Generate button. Within just a few minutes, the video will be ready. As you can see, the video has been successfully generated. Let me play it for you. The visual quality and audio are outstanding, just like a Hollywood dragon movie scene, exactly as described in the prompt. Absolutely perfect. Now I'll show you how to create a video using only a text prompt, without using any image. Once again, go to the creation bar and enter your video prompt. This time I've prepared a highly detailed prompt with the help of ChatGPT. After entering the prompt, select the video model. This time I'll choose Wan 2.6, which is perfect for creating videos with multiple shots. After selecting the model, you can enable or disable the multiple shots option. Next, I'll set the duration to 10 seconds, adjust the video quality to 1080p, and finally click on the Generate button. In just a few minutes, the video will be ready. As you can see, the video is complete. Let me play it for you.
You're too slow. We'll see. Just like that. Not yet.
Without using any image, this video has been generated entirely from a single prompt, with voice, multiple shots, excellent video quality, and highly realistic visuals. You can also create amazing realistic AI videos like this using Higgsfield AI. One last important thing I want to mention. At the top of the dashboard, you can see that Higsfield AI is currently offering an amazing deal. With this offer, you get unlimited access for 30 days to Google Nano Banana Pro and all Kling models. This is a limited time offer, so make sure you grab it quickly. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you can keep getting tutorials on amazing AI tools like this. I'll see you in the next video.